Okay guys, so as you can see, sun is here. Um and once again I want to show you the farm just there. So have you seen these railway tracks? So it's adjusted on a line. So I'm just speaking on a flow. uh, it's looking really nice. So ooh, at this point of time I'm not having that thing to record some sufficient things. I'm not having that thing to record. This is like tickles. So I think no one's going. So okay. So I think I should end video. I don't like my voice because it's really like that you are demotivated, and that's why I don't like my voice. Okay. So anyways, bye guys.